How to fix pending messages on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. So, launch settings. Navigate to the option Wi Fi. Click on the Wi Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Then switch between network, Wi Fi, and mobile data. Likewise, enable for the option Airplane Mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Next, confirm if you are still friends. If the other person removed you or blocked you, pending forever. So you can navigate to their profile. If it says add friends, they have unfriended you. You'll need to wait for them to add you back or reach out elsewhere. Next, check the Snapchat server status. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website down detector. Now search for Snapchat. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next up, log out and log in back. So launch your Snapchat, navigate to your profile page, click on the settings icon, scroll all the way down, click on log out again, wait for a few minutes and then log in back. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Snapchat and again reinstall it. So press and hold on the Snapchat app, click on remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Snapchat and install it. Lastly, if you suspect they removed you, ask them to re-add you. Once they do, your snaps will go through instantly. So these are some fixes for pending messages on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.